Do this by September 9th, and you are going to be blessed beyond your imagination. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to write just number 9 on a sort on the 9th of September, and you are going to be blessed beyond your imagination, and you are going to be surprised that this little thing can work. This is not magic, it is not diabolic, it is just spirituality, and it is spirituality in the modern sense of the word. We are going to be using just the number 9. You write number 9 on a natural ingredient and talking about salt, and you are going to be doing this on the 9th of September. The ingredients we are going to be needing is simple. One, we are going to be needing white salt, cooking salt, sea salt, salt that is white. Any salt that is white, you can use it. And the salt I'm talking about is either the cooking salt, the sea salt, the Himalayan salt. But you cannot use the pink or the black salt. The salt you are going to be using must be white. And you don't need so much salt, just little. Number 2, we are going to be needing just to write your hand. This, your finger, your middle finger, just use it to write the number 9. And that is just all there is to it. So how do we go about this? First, you must get your salt. We should get your salt, and you are going to be getting a plain paper. Plain, it has to be plain. It has to be plain. The paper has to be plain. There should be nothing written on the paper. Plain white, no line, nothing. It should be plain. If you cannot get a plain paper, then you can get a plain plate. The plain plate must be white plain plate, not in no other color. It should be white. You get that? Now, you pour the salt on the paper. I'm still going to show you. You pour the salt, the little salt you want to use, you pour it on the paper. Once you pour it on the paper or the white plate, then you are going to write the number 9. The way you know how to write it. If it is this way, I don't know how you write it in your language, but English is 9. Just write the number 9. Once you write the number 9, then you say whatever your problem. Actually, the word 9, the number 9 in spirituality signifies breakthrough from hardship. It also signifies success. It also signifies achievement, that you achieve things, whatever you are trying to achieve. It signifies financial breakthrough, health breakthrough. You break through from things and you'll be successful. Anything that is stopping you from being successful, this number 9 breaks you away from that. There are so many spiritual meaning to 9. I don't want to go into the meaning of 9. And in numerology, 9 simply means breakthrough. It means success. It means breakthrough. It means success. And you know salt. You know the meaning of salt in spirituality. Salt simply means cleansing. Then it means sweetness. So you want to cleanse yourself from hardship, from difficulties. Now you want to sweeten your life. You want success to come to you. You want breakthrough to come to you. You want to achieve things beyond your imagination. So now, the salt we are going to be using, this is what I have. Like I said, it can be any white salt will do. Don't use black or Himalaya or pink salt. Then, if you cannot use the local one that we tie in my country here, the local one, you tie it in pieces. If you cannot get that, then you can get the synthetic one that is already made. You can see, you can buy this, and we are just needing small of it. So how do you go about it? Like I said, I'm going to show you. So this is my salt. and this is right. What I do is just to level it so that I can write on it. Level it so that you can write on it. Level it. You can see I've leveled it, and I'm going to be writing 9. You can see I've written 9. Once you've written 9, then you start talking to it. You start talking to it. And when I say talk to it, you start praying. All the things you don't want, you start rejecting it. All the things that are causing hardship in your life, all the things that are causing stagnation, all the things that are not making you to be successful, all the enemies that are not making you to progress in your place of work, all the enemies that are blocking your success, that are blocking your financial breakthrough, that are blocking your promotion, you want to pray against it. Then you pray for good things to come to you, that good things should come to you, because salt signifies cleansing, and it also signifies sweetness. So you want sweetness to come to your life. You want drought to go away from you. You want hardship to go away from you. But you want sweetness to come again to you. Now, you are going to be pouring it inside your bathing water. Just get a bathing water. Make sure your bathing water, it depends. Like in my country, Nigeria, you can get a bowl. Wherever you are, get a bowl, then pour the salt into the bowl. Then use your hand to mix it. Hope we follow the instruction. It is very simple. So you just mix it together. You are going to be using it to bathe. If you are getting value so far and you are still very new to this channel, consider subscribing and give it a like. Give this video a like so that it can reach so many other people. What you need to do is the water that you mix with your salt that you're rating 9 on, you are going to be using it on the 9th of September. Actually, this spiritual exercise is called 999 formula. That is 999 formula. This is how you do it. You are going to be writing 9 on your salt, and you are going to be using it on the 9th of September. And you are going to be using it 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. You want to take your bath with the water, but it must be done 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. If you cannot do it 9 a.m., don't miss 9 p.m. But it must be done. Please listen very well. This must be done on the 9th of September. It must be done on the 9th of September. So you are going to be using this to take your bath. And there are 2 ways to take your bath. You can use soap to bath. Then you can use it to just cleanse your body, to just rinse your body. You don't need soap. So 2 ways. If you want to use soap, the soap you want to use must be white tablet soap. Any soap that you want to use must be white. You cannot use any other color of soap. Like here, we can use Joy and Loss. They are white. And you don't need a very big soap. Just small soap. Just little is what you need. So you use this to take your bath. But if you are not using soap, then you can just use the water to cleanse your body from your head to your feet. But one instruction is that you cannot, once you get from up to down, you cannot go back from down to up. It doesn't go that way. You have to start from the head. You rinse everywhere from the head to your feet. And that's all. Now, if you use soap, you need new sponge with it. If you use soap, you need new sponge with it. And that new sponge, once you have used it, you have to go and throw it away. You can bury it or throw it away. It's no more useful. It is done once. And it must be September 9. It must be September. If in case you don't understand this, go over the video once again. From the beginning till the end. It's not going to take you so much time, but make sure you get it. You don't make mistake. I'm doing this so that you can be free, because a lot of people complain, but we are in September. And once you do this, you will be free from hardship, from struggles, from difficulties. It is total breakthrough. This is what you call a breakthrough bath. And it is cleansing. It is also sweetening at the same time. So it's a breakthrough bath, and it is done on September 9. But in case now that you are seeing this video very late, or you, for one reason or the other, you missed 9th, you can do it on the 18th or the 27th September. 18th or 27th of September. But if I were you, I would do it on the 9th, I would do it on the 17th, and I'll do it on the 19th, 18th, and I'll do it on the 27th. I'll do it for 3 days because to me, that is a lot. I'll be so confident, I'll be so assured that yes, at least for this month and the rest of the year, I am free. And things will start moving. And you'll be surprised that you come across the video. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you will be duly notified and you become a member of the family, because I release videos like this from time to time, at least twice in a week. So you will enjoy some of the things our members have been enjoying. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.